Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss branches of accounting. Dear students, as business grow, they need a different types of accounting method. To maintain financial planning, you need a different accounting method. To follow the government rules, there may be a different rules to be followed and compliances. And for costing, there will be a different accounting needs to be followed. For forensic and testing, you need to follow different accounting methods, right? So based on the requirements, the accounting methods will keep changing. Now we will explore the accounting methods. The first one is that you have this financial accounting and cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, auditing, forensic accounting, government accounting, social responsibility accounting, and human resource accounting. And the last one we have that budget accounting. These are all the branches of accounting. The methods of accounting steps involved in each method may be same or may be vary, depends upon the output expected. If we talk about financial accounting is a systematic recording of all transactions and preparation of financial statements. The key output of financial accounting is profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, and funds flow statements. And if we talk about cost accounting, for cost accounting, the purpose is determining and controlling the cost of products or services. It covers material cost, labor cost, overhead costs, and this cost accounting method used by manufacturing unit and production managers. And the next we have that is management accounting. The purpose of the management accounting is that assist internal decision making using data driven reports. The tools used in management accounting is budget, forecast, variance reports, and cost analysis. The management accounting mostly used by business owners, CEOs, and managers. And then we have the tax accounting. The purpose of tax accounting is calculation of reporting of taxes. It includes income tax calculation, GST calculation, TDS calculation, TCS calculation, advanced tax calculation, and many more. It is mostly used by businesses, tax practitioners, and chartered accountancy firms. And then we have the audit accounting. The purpose of audit accounting is that it is an independent verification of accounts and financial systems. The types of auditing is, you can say that internal audit, external audit, statutory audit, tax audit, like that. It is used by auditors and regulatory bodies like government agencies. And then we have the forensic accounting. It is quite different to remaining accounting parts. In this forensic accounting, the most of the things that are involved here is actually investigation of financial fraud, disputes, and embezzlements. This forensic accounting is actually applicable for legal cases, and if something fraud happened in that any business, a forensic accounting team will come and investigate what has actually happened in the business. And these forensic accounting may be mostly used by law enforcement, courts, and investigative agencies. And we have that government accounting. This government accounting used by government departments and government auditor for managing public finances, budget allocations, and fund utilization. It includes treasury records, public fund tracking, and many more. And we have one common accounting that is known as social responsibility accounting. Social responsibility account. For these social responsibility accounting, it measures environmental and societal impact. How much harmness created by your business to the society, or how much benefit you are creating to the society. So maybe business sometimes deliver harmness to the society, sometimes business deliver a benefits to the society, right? A company is engaged in ethanol, they help the economy and environment. And companies engaged in any different acid production or any chemical company, they may produce more pollutions and chemicals to the society. So how much benefits you are providing to the society, or how much harmness you are creating in the society. So this will be done including sustainability reporting, CSR expenditure tracking. It is mostly used by corporates and NGOs and regulators and investors as well. Today companies are expected to care about the society and environment. Social responsibility accounting tracks how much business spends on CSR, social responsibility, like education programs, tree planting, charity works. It also includes sustainability of reporting, showing how a company protects the environment. Example, if Infosys or Tata may report how much they spent on village development. For companies, it is also mandatory to spend some money on CSR, corporate social responsibility, like that. And then we have that human resources accounting, which is also referred as HR accounting. It measures the value of human assets, employees to the organization. These accounting may include hiring and training costs, employee performance value, retention and turnover cost. It is used by HR department for strategic planning and top management. And we have that budget accounting. Budget accounting is used in the business for to estimate the budget, and after completion of the financial year, what is you expected to reach, what is your target to reach, and how close you are to the target, right? So what is your estimation and what is your current position? So budget accounting helps your business to plan for next financial year and to set up some targets to reach, right? So primarily we will be using financial accounting, cost accounting in the daily businesses. Based on the business requirements, we may use different branches of accounting in the businesses, right? Thank you.